Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today we're going to be doing a Save versus Splurge home decor edition. So I'm going to be sharing with you all the different home decor pieces that I think you can save on to still get that designer look versus items that you should probably splurge on or invest in a bit more to really get high quality longevity in your designs. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's start with my favorite category and probably yours, the save category. The first place I love to save money on is accent lighting. You should always have multiple light sources around your space, so lighting can add up if you're going high-end with it. You can thrift lighting, you can find affordable lighting, you can find lighting dupes that look identical to designer pieces, and it will absolutely give you a high-end look on a major budget. I have a whole section on my Amazon storefront filled with affordable light fixtures because I think you can absolutely create that high-end look with affordable lighting. So I don't think it's always worth going and spending so much money on all these different light fixtures because you need so many light fixtures throughout your entire space. Now, I've known a lot of people now that have splurged on curtains and have been very disappointed with how they look. And I think you can save on curtains. If you are finding the right kind of curtain, you need to look for details so that you can hang your curtain properly to give you that designer look. I actually think it's all about how you hang the curtain versus the actual curtain. So I always recommend finding affordable curtains. I'm gonna link some of my favorite down below. I use them all over my home. They're a lightweight linen curtain that's pre-pleated. You can hang with curtain rings and comes in many different color options. So those are the details you're looking for. I also recommend finding affordable curtains and actually doubling up on your curtain panels on either side of your window. This is going to be a lot easier to do if you find affordable curtains. So I think the ones that I buy are about $30 to $60, and that's for 2 panels. So you can do 2 panels on either side and you're still under the amount for 1 high-end curtain panel. So I always recommend saving on curtains. I think you can find affordable options as long as you're looking for those pre-pleated curtains that you can hang with curtain clips and curtain rings. This is going to give you that pleating that you want. It's going to bring that texture and lightness to your space, and just making sure that you hang it at the right height and width in your space, it will look designer instantly. You don't need to spend a ton on curtains because again, it's something that you need to purchase for all over your home. So save on it where you can. Find the right curtains for your home to really give you that designer look for less. Now, every space around your home has accent furniture, and I think you can save on accent furniture. This is including accent chairs, accent ottomans, side tables, coffee tables, nightstands. These are all those secondary furniture pieces. They're all essential for creating an entire look in a space, but they can definitely be more budget-friendly items. Accent chairs are endless. I've seen incredible options on Walmart and Wayfair and Target. They have some of my favorites. And these are also those smaller items. You can swap out these smaller items that don't cost a ton of money to still make a huge impact around your home. Another great way to save while decorating is with throw pillows, especially throw pillow inserts. I think the way to create designer high-end looking pillows is with a thick, fluffy insert, usually a down-filled insert. So one of my favorite budget-friendly options is actually from IKEA. I think it's called the Fajar pillow. It's under $9, and these are large throw pillows. You can use these on your bed, you can use them on your sofa. They're super plush, they hold their shape, and they won't look limp on any of your sofas or beds. So they really will give you that designer look, and it's a super budget-friendly option to decorating. So all you need are throw pillow covers, and those can be found at affordable prices. So I think in total, throw pillows can be very affordable when decorating your home. So I always recommend sizing up in your pillow insert. That's also going to be a way to create that designer look while still using a very affordable piece. Now, we all have surfaces to decorate around our home. Coffee tables, console tables, nightstands, bookshelves, mantles. All of these surfaces need some decor. That's really how you tie together your entire design. And I think all of these smaller decorative items can be found on a budget. You should definitely save on all of the small decor around your home. I have thrifted, I think, almost every piece around my home, or just purchased very affordable decor, because again, it's all about how you style these pieces together. So think about saving on all these small items like bowls and books and coasters and canisters and vases. If you style these affordable items together in a very high-end way, it will create this designer look. Stack your coffee table books, layer in your decor, and it will definitely create this curated high-end effect. Now let's get into some home items that I think are worth splurging on. The first one being a duvet insert. You're going to use this duvet insert every single day. And it's something that is plain and simple that you can continuously change out duvet covers to, but the quality of your duvet insert really matters. First, it's going to give you a more high-end plush look in your bedroom. If you have a very fluffy, thick duvet, it's going to give you some extra comfort, warmth, breathability. It's just going to give you good quality sleep, which is worth everything. And if it's something that you're really coming into contact with every day, I think it's worth spending on. So duvet inserts don't have to be super expensive, but on the scale of duvet inserts, I would go for a more high-end duvet insert. It's really going to give you a luxurious feeling in your home, and you can definitely find some good quality options that are under $200. Now, if you're doing any painting around your home, you should definitely splurge on paint. I think this is something you learn as you paint over time and you experience different paint qualities. But high-end paint or more expensive paint options really are better. You don't have to do as many coats. You're going to save yourself so much more time. It covers any color underneath. You don't have to use primers most of the time, and it really shows the quality. So I always go for the more high-end paint option now. Last thing you want is to have to roll your paint on 3 times to be able to get a smooth, nice finish. And when you find good quality paint, you can really see that 1, maybe 2 coats does it all, and it really covers nicely. But this pretty much goes for every paint line. Behr, Benjamin Moore, Sherwin-Williams, they all have different paint options that you can choose from. I would just scale up on the scale of quality and don't go for the bare minimum and choose their more high-end paint option, because I think you're really going to see the difference. Now, when it comes to furniture, I always think it's worth splurging on performance fabric if that's an option. I think if you like light colored furniture, or you have pets or children, or you like to host a lot and you don't want to worry about your furniture, go with performance fabric pieces. Any kind of liquid rolls right off and doesn't soak into the fabric. It's super easy to clean, and I think it's always worth it because you don't have to worry about the pieces that you're using every single day. I recommend performance fabric for dining chairs, your main sofa, or any kind of accent chairs that get a lot of use. It will give you peace of mind, and I think it's definitely worth it. I think it will always add longevity to your pieces as well because they won't look dirty over time. So I highly recommend splurging on performance fabric. It is going to be a bit more than other options, but I think it's definitely worth it when it comes to those main furniture pieces around your home. Now, something you don't always see that's worth splurging on is rug pads or carpet pads. You can go for more affordable carpeting and more affordable rugs if you choose a more high-end rug pad, something with more thickness, more durability, something that's really going to give you that memory foam, cushiony feel under your feet. Without that, you have rugs that feel very thin and you can kind of just feel the floor underneath them. So it's always worth investing in the carpet padding. It's hard to spend money on those things that you don't see, but you feel it. And this will make a big impact to the way your home feels. It's gonna make your home more comfortable. It's gonna actually help with sound a bit more. And I think you're gonna feel the difference. So if you're looking into doing any kind of carpeting around your home, look into a higher quality rug pad or carpet padding, because it's going to make a world of a difference. Now, usually the largest furniture piece in every single space is something that I think you should splurge on. So that's usually your sofa, your sectional, your bed frame, and your dining table. These are all large pieces that, in my opinion, are very inconvenient to just randomly change up over time if you want a new style. They are really pieces that you want to invest in. They're pieces that you want to be timeless and good quality and really last. I think if you try and kind of cheap out in these areas, you usually will regret it. So really budget for good quality, larger pieces that you can accent with more affordable finds. You can kind of balance out each space by mixing your key, more expensive furniture piece with accenting affordable furniture. This is going to give you a little bit more balance in your budget so you're not spending it all on everything. Invest in those items that are going to be high traffic pieces like dining tables, beds, and sofas. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on ways that you can budget for your decorating and makeovers around your home. If you're working on any renovations or you want to refresh your space, don't think that you need to spend money everywhere. You can definitely create a designer look on a budget by mixing budget-friendly items with more luxurious products. So definitely find a balance so that you can create a budget-friendly, beautiful space. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!